to Amuna Foods. Today we are going to show you how to make the best Uganda ginger tea, also known as chai chak Tangawizi. That directly translates as milk tea with ginger. So join us as we prepare this delicious tea. We won't be using all of this. This is the bit that we are going to use with just the 2 tea bags. The water and the milk are actually measured in equal parts, depending on the number of people who are going to be drinking the tea. So when you're going to use 1 cup of milk, then you also have to use a cup of water. So now we are going to put the milk and the water together in the saucepan to boil. And while it is boiling, we will be grating also our ginger. So just turn my fire on. Add the water, milk. So now we just leave it to boil as we grate our ginger. So I'm just going to quickly peel the ginger. Don't worry too much if a little bit of skin left. It doesn't really matter too much. So that's good enough. So now I'm going to wash the ginger. That's good enough. I'm just going to grate it. I'm going to use this part of the grater because that one is too large. This one is too tiny, and actually, you know, the bits and pieces will be too annoying in your mouth. So this one is good because the ginger will settle at the bottom of your cup or the flask. Get that one from inside. Okay, I'm just going now to add this ginger into our boiling milk. When you put the ginger in the milk like this, just allow it to boil first before you actually add the tea bags, because you want the ginger to infuse properly. So this is good. Okay, we are just going to drop our tea bag in there. But I think because it's just only 2 cups, we really don't like our tea too strong. So we are just going to use one and allow it to infuse, allow it to boil. Then when you feel that it, you know, is to your desired strength, then you can remove it. Yeah, I think that one is enough. You don't have to leave it there. I don't like leaving my tea bag in there. I take it out. So leave it to boil a little bit more. So everything can just marinate in there, you know, the tea bag, the ginger. So now actually our tea is ready. We are going to serve. Okay, now we're just going to pour our tea, serve our tea in the cup. But please, if you don't really like the ginger in your cup, please just sieve it. It's going to settle down under the cup anyway, so no problem. So yeah, you want to add sugar, you can add sugar or honey, or just drink it as it is. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, give us a thumbs up and give some positive comments. And please remember to turn your notification bell on so that you don't miss out on any video that we post. Thank you. God bless you.